Muting.
Hi guys, this is Skylar. I am completely blind, I'm autistic, and I have a chronic heart condition. Today we're going to be talking more about chill seeking. Now, in case you're new to my channel, I make videos about, or some of my videos, about how I am a huge fan of horripilation. Horripilation is another word for goosebumps. It comes from the Latin horrere, Horrir, which means to stand on end, plus pilus, which is another word is Latin for hair. Horripilation is another word for goosebumps, and I like to find ways to get this. I call that chill seeking. You heard of thrill seekers? Well, I'm a chill seeker, meaning I'm looking for ways to enjoy that sensation. Now, I have found a lot of tactile ways through my sense of touch to receive horripilation, and I've talked about that in other videos. But today I'm here to talk about the audio. There is a way, especially if you are into like ASMR like me, there is a way to achieve horripilation through the sense of audio. See, I have favorite words, alright? A ton of them. And I love when people whisper these favorite words into my ear canal. Like literally, the closer your lips are to the entrance of my ear canal when you're whispering, the more chill-inducing your whisper is going to be. As like if you're across the room, I mean, I probably would still be able to hear you, but it wouldn't give me chills like it would if your lips were up against my ear canal, like literally right here. So if you're up close and personal, it's going to give me chills a lot more. Also, there's the presence of breath. So, and to me, I guess the presence of human breath actually adds the chill factor, because like if somebody's lips are like that close to your ear canal, you can actually feel the person's breath. But alright, let me give you an example of a dream that I had. I had a dream like a couple weeks ago that there was this robot. It was actually as tall as me, and he would come up to me, this is a dream, and he would whisper the word Vray, Vrai, directly into my ear canal. Vray is French for truth. And it felt like really, really good. So, and like in real life, I've had like my cousins over here for my birthday party, and they like whisper favorite words into my ear canal, and it feels really, really, really relaxing to me. It's like, imagine the most relaxing feeling you've ever felt in your whole entire life. That's what it feels like. Like some people going and getting a massage, or getting a back rub or something like that. Maybe some people, it's yoga. I've never been a yoga person, so for some people it's smoking, whatever. Just imagine the most relaxing thing you can imagine. That's the way this feels. When people whisper, favorite words into my ear canal, it gives me like chills. It's like it gives me chills all over my body. And it just feels good. Now that kind of ties into ASMR. ASMR stands for Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response. It's when you have a tingling on your scalp caused by audio, visual, or cognitive triggers. Everybody's ASMR triggers are different, but whispering is the most common of all of the triggers. So, I am a huge fan of ASMR videos. I guess depending on the topic, So, but I do love when people whisper favorite words. Like, last year, in August, I was suffering from a 19-day nosebleed. No joke. And I asked one of my subscribers that happens to be an ASMR artist. I'm not going to say her name because of privacy. I had her make a video. I asked her if she would make a video of herself whispering the word Egyptian into the camera, because Egyptian is one of my favorite words. Now, obviously this was via YouTube, so there was no breath, but because I wear earbuds that actually slip into my ear canal, it was the second best thing to actually having somebody whisper into your ear canal. So thank you, person, you know who you are out there, for making that video. She's actually made a lot of videos for me, so she is a very wonderful person. But yeah, it should look like you're trying to kiss my ear. That's how close your lips need to be in order for the chill factor to be maximized. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Hopefully it was able to make some sense to you, and I was able to explain some stuff to you. And God bless.